As Filipinos, we have similarity of measuring the water in our rice and how we cook.
Why you measure water with cup? Just use finger. You put rice, put water until finger. First join the finger. That's how you measure the water, not with British teacup.
Hello guys, I will cook rice and how we Asian properly clean our rice before we cook. And I will follow Uncle Roger's tips how to measure the rice and the water for the better quality of cooked rice. Then I will show you later on how the rice are cooked very well after this. Third time I rinse the rice, then leave it until the remaining water is gone. I'm sorry. Then we'll put the water again for the final touch to measure the rice. Roger said you need to measure the rice with your finger, and how much is the amount of rice, that will be the amount of water. Then we'll try it. This is the rice. I will measure with my finger until there. Then we'll put the water until this level of my finger. After putting the water, then I will measure the amount of water from the rice until to the top of the water. Then it will be like this. As you can see, until there, right? This is the amount of the water. If little bit short, you can add little bit water. Yeah. Yes. As I mentioned, until here, you see my thumb, until there the water. Yes. Now I can feel that it's almost balanced. Then we'll cook the rice, and later on I will show you when it was cooked properly and it was cooked very good.
A few moments later.
And now it is the moment what we are waiting for. Yeah, how white it is. Smell is good. The rice is cooked.